Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace an engine air filter. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. You'll need a new engine air filter and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver, depending on your vehicle. Pop open the hood and locate the large, usually black, air filter housing. It's typically on one side of the engine compartment. Let's get started. Now, let's open up that air filter housing. Many models use metal clips around the perimeter. Simply unlatch these. Some might have a few screws that need to be removed with your screwdriver. Once the fasteners are loose, gently lift the top cover of the air box. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter sitting inside. Take note of how it's positioned. With the air box open, carefully lift out the old engine air filter. You'll likely notice it's quite dirty, full of leaves, dust, and other debris. Take a moment to wipe out any loose dirt or leaves from inside the air filter housing. Now, take your new filter and place it into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and in the same orientation as the one you removed. It should fit snugly. Finally, carefully lower the top cover of the air filter housing back into place. Make sure it aligns correctly and then re-engage all the clips or reinsert and tighten any screws you removed. Double-check that everything is secure and sealed. A clean engine air filter helps your engine breathe better, leading to improved fuel efficiency and better overall performance. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.